In the brutal winter of 1846 to 1847, the Donner Party became stranded in the Sierra Nevada mountains, battling starvation and freezing temperatures. Among the rescuers who braved the harsh conditions was John Stark, an unpaid volunteer motivated by a deep sense of compassion. While his paid companions each chose to save just one survivor and then departed, Stark remained committed to the 9 remaining individuals, most of whom were vulnerable children, refusing to leave anyone behind. Demonstrating extraordinary courage, Stark carried 2 or 3 survivors at a time, navigating the snow-laden wilderness with relentless determination. He made repeated journeys, undeterred by exhaustion or danger, until every one of the 9 was safely rescued. His physical strength and unwavering resolve turned a desperate situation into a story of survival against all odds. Remarkably, Stark not only saved all 9 survivors, but also emerged from the ordeal alive himself. His heroic actions stood as a powerful example of selflessness and resilience, leaving a lasting legacy of human kindness amidst one of the most harrowing episodes in American history.